Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make your mix wide. To achieve a wide mix, you first need to grasp the fundamentals of stereo imaging. This involves understanding how sounds are placed across the left and right channels. We'll explore various methods to create a sense of spaciousness, making your audio feel expansive and immersive. The goal is to enhance the perceived width of your sound without compromising clarity or mono-compatibility. Let's start by widening individual elements. One effective technique is using stereo imager plugins, which can spread a sound across the stereo field. Another approach involves applying very short delays, perhaps between 10 and 30 milliseconds, or subtle reverbs to create a sense of space. You can also duplicate a track, pan one copy slightly left and the other slightly right, then slightly detune one for a broader, more expansive effect. Now, let's consider bus processing for overall mix width. Mid-side processing on your mix bus is a powerful tool. It allows you to separate the center mid information from the stereo side information. By gently boosting the side component, you can expand the entire stereo image. However, exercise caution. A subtle boost of 1 or 2 decibels is often sufficient. Always ensure your mix remains mono-compatible. To wrap up, here are some best practices for achieving a great mix width. Avoid overdoing it, as excessive widening can introduce phase problems and make your mix sound thin. Always check your mix in mono to ensure it translates well on different playback systems. Use width strategically. It's not about making everything wide, but rather about creating contrast and highlighting key elements in your track for maximum impact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.